is the Igbo tutor. We always meet by this time every Saturday to learn Igbo language live, free of charge. So wherever you are, this is the scheduled time and day. Wherever you are, begin to join this live class now. So we learn Igbo language live, free of charge. We call it Let's Talk Igbo Language Live. Here, we sharpen our skill on Igbo language by way of, testing our knowledge of the words, the sounds, the spellings, the meanings, short sentences and phrases using the words. So wherever you are, if this is your morning, I say good morning to you, ụtụtụ ọma. If this is your afternoon, I say good afternoon, ehihie ọma. If this is your evening or night, I say mgbede ọma or abalị ọma, whichever is applicable to you in your location. You are highly welcome to this class. Now we are, running this live class to help those who might not have access to direct teaching and guidance. Of course, we'll have our videos in our homepage, in our channel, but we discovered that some people watch these videos which are really not, live, no direct communication. So they watch these videos and walk away. They do not have any chance to ask questions or get direct responses or direct guidance through the videos they watch. So whether you are subscribed to one or two channels where you watch Igbo lesson videos or not, you will find this live session very helpful, because here we deal with issues directly. You ask questions, we respond to your questions. We together challenge ourselves to learn new things we've not known before, and even test the ones we think or assume we know before. So we take you from where you are to where you ought to be, and then together we learn. The beauty thing about this is that we also have people who are in this class who are more knowledgeable than you, who are vast than you. You might also learn from them as we interact together. That's why it's a live class. So we welcome those who are newbies. We have those who are in their intermediate level. We have those who are in the advanced level. All of us come together as a family here to rub minds and try to, learn from each other in a family setting. So there's no better place to be than here. Whether you are subscribed to this channel or not, you can always come around and learn Igbo language and test your knowledge and measure your level of progress, while we'll advance our Igbo learning, goal. So you're welcome to this class. Wherever you are, begin to join now so that we just begin this class. We don't want to take more than 1 hour for this class. So the earlier we join, the better for all of us. So wherever you are married to Igbo, you are engaged to Igbo, you have Igbo friends or partners in business, you have Igbo neighbors, you have Igbo relations, you are born by Igbo parents, but you have no one to speak to you, maybe because your parents are too busy and they prefer talking or speaking English at home rather than speaking Igbo. Why not come here so we can learn together? This is where you ought to be. We meet every Saturday, 2 p.m. Nigerian time, 1300 GMT. So you can align that with your own time zone. Calendar and make it a date with us as we learn together. So begin to join this class now, as we intend to start in earnest and maintain 1 hour for this class today. So let's do this together. I am the Igbo tutor, Mazi Okafo. If you're already in the class, do me a favor, drop your greetings so we can pick your name and mark your register that you are in class today. We also send you our greetings. So you do that by just dropping the greeting to us. Say Dewo, no, Dalu. If you cannot write in Igbo, just say hello, how are you there? I'm here. Just say something. So just say you appreciate your being here. And then we also send our greetings back to you. That is the way we mark our register here. So do that. Some other things you need to do when you join the class is to remember to hit the like button, share this live session out there so that more people can get notified and come and join the class. That not only you do, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, it's good you do that to show us solidarity, and then hit the notification bell. That way you will be informed whenever we schedule our classes. You're welcome, just a guy, Ikechukwu. Welcome to class. We also want to still thank you for your gift last week. God bless you. We appreciate your support. So, where are the rest? Begin to join the class now. Let's begin in earnest. We don't want to, move far and begin to reverse or begin to wait or extend the class further because of those who are joining late. It's always good to keep to time so that we can maintain the time we scheduled to have this class, which is basically 1 hour. But because of those who normally join late, we do extend it sometimes to 30 minutes time. But we don't want to do that today. We want to maintain 1 hour in today's class. We hope network will not disappoint us like last week. We had a lot of challenges last week. Many of us couldn't complete the class even as we started with us because network broke our class into two last week. We pray that today network will be friendly to us so we can have one single class for everybody. You are welcome to class. Chikezie McDonald, you were not around for some time, but thank God you are here again today. Chichukuka Dalo. Chichukuka. Chukuka, this seems to be the first time you are joining our class. If I'm right, can you just say yes? Let me be sure I'm not saying something wrong. You might be a silent student all the while, but you choose to speak to us today. But if it's the first time you're joining our live class, Chukuka, just say yes. Let's welcome you specially to this live class. Like I said earlier, if you are in this class, you've not dropped a greetings, you've not marked your register of attendance. That is the way to mark it. If you're in this class, you've not hit the like button, the share button, and you have not subscribed to our channel, if you're coming for the first time, you have not fulfilled the obligations you need to do. Do that now, even as we move on to class. Let's begin right now. There we go. Last week, we continued our Igbo verb games. What is Igbo verb games? It's not really a game per se, but we call it game because we want to make it fun as much as possible. We pick Igbo verbs. We determine the meaning of the verb. We break the verb into 8 different forms, and we use the verbs in making simple sentences that reflects the changing nature of the verb. We are using the verb to do this because verb forms a very vital part of a sentence. And if you have a good knowledge of verb, we are sure that you'll be more grounded in Igbo language. You can speak more because majority of the words we speak is or entails verb most of the time. And that's why we are doing this series we call Igbo Verb Game. So you're welcome on board. Can anyone remind us of where we stopped last week? What was the last word we treated last week? Can someone remind us as we go on today? Anyone? Just help me. What was the last word we treated last Saturday? Yeah, I think just a guy was here. He followed us through the second session of the class because the first one was broken suddenly. We began the second session. I think just a guy followed us to the last point. Can you remind us what was the last word we treated last week? Anyone? Do that now. Let's move on. Yeah, ihiora. Okay. Ihiora or hieora. Okay, ihiora, to sleep. That's good. So the word we considered actually is hieora, which means sleep or go to sleep. And we broke it down into its different forms. And finally, we now rounded up there with have slept. We had about 5 or 6 or 7 variations of that singular verb. Toss it around up to 7 times and got different meanings, used it to make different sentences, and then we now ended up with that particular verb. That's lovely. Today we're beginning, and the first one today, because I want to maintain 1 hour as much as possible today. The first one is J. That is what we're looking at first. J. Some will call it Ga, whichever we prefer, but let's use J for the purpose of this particular class now. J. But if you say Ga, is also correct. So can we go? Now drop the spelling now. Okay, J, we have the spelling now. J, okay, any other option? Ga, just a guy, whichever you prefer, but we're using J for the purpose of this particular lesson now. We are using J. Okay, any other option? J is correct. It's double E, not one E. So it's J. So Chikezie got it very correct. Let's break it now, down now. If you've not hit the like button, you're not fair to us. Let's go. J, go. Then to go is what? Tidrilly. Very long time I've not seen you in class. Thank God you're back again here. Tidrilly. Okay, no. Let's move. To go is what? We've said that J is go. To go is what? EJ. Okay, we have one option. Any other option? To go. Okay, we have just a guy. Two people have shot. Any other person shooting? Game on. What is to go? Game on. What is to go? Write it now. Don't just say anything. Write. Hit your keyboard. To go means what? How do we write it in Igbo? We say go is J, and then we're talking about to go, EJ or Iga. In this case, we're using J. So EJ, that's fine. All right. Okay, let's move on. I don't want to waste a long time on one. Went is what? Went, past tense of go. Went. What is the past tense of go? Went. Well, how do we write that in Igbo? Went. Went, past tense of go. Went. Hit that. Game on. Shoot it now. I want to run as fast as possible. I want to maintain 1 hour spot on the spot. So, went is what? How do we write that in Igbo language? Went. Past tense of go. Yes, shoot now. Game on. Game on. Shoot it now in the chat. Okay? For those of you who are maybe watching this video after the class, when it must have been uploaded into our homepage, there is a 3 button under this live video recording, live class recording. 3 button down below by the right. You will hit that button, scroll it to the right, and it will give you the chats during live class. You will see all the chats during live class, so you can now go through it even as you are listening to the recording. You will be seeing all the live chats there. Okay, so let's move. I'm waiting for you to write the past tense of go. Went. I didn't see anybody responding yet to that. Is it network or what? I never see anybody write anything. Past tense of go, which is went. How do we write that in Igbo language? Yes, waiting for you. Game on. Game on. Game on, waiting for you. Write that. Past tense of go. Went. How do we write that in Igbo language? Game on. Shoot now. What are you waiting for? Shoot. Let your keyboard talk. Let your keyboard talk. I am waiting. I have not seen the response. I hope we're not held by network again today. I am waiting. Went. Write it in Igbo language. Went. Past tense of go. Hit the keyboard. Let me have it in the chat. What's going on? What is going on? I'm not seeing anything coming in. I hope these guys are not holding me back today. All live chats. Okay. Okay. Okay, we don't write I'm Cincinnati. Okay, yeah, I think I've seen it now. They want to play a game on me. So, but I've got their game. I've been able to decode that. And I can see it now. I can see it now. Okay. Because yeah, I've seen it. That's fine. So, okay, Jerry. I see Jerry. Chikezie wrote Jerry. Just a guy wrote Jerry. Okay. Who else wrote? Okay. We don't write I'm seeing Sony. Yes, I've seen all of them now. That's fine, Jerry. Okay. Now we move on. The next one is will go. Will go. How do we write that in Igbo language? Will go. Will go. How do we write that in Igbo language? Yes, will go. Shoot now. Let me have it. How do we write will go in Igbo language? Future. Okay, I see just a guy responded. Any other one coming in? Shoot now. Game will go. Will go. How do we write that? Game on. Okay. I've seen Chikezie. I've seen just a guy. Any other person coming in? Will go. Okay. Anyone coming in again? Will go. Will go. Will go. I got 2 responses now. Any other person adding his own contribution? Really. Gaga. You choose to be using aga, really, but we say we should use the J for the purpose of this. You stuck to aga, ga, no problem. That is your choice. Okay. Now, J is fine, and it has to be GA hyphen AJ will follow. That's the way it should be, not the way Chikeze wrote it. It's not a preposition. Is a future verb tense. Okay, that's fine. So we move on. Is going. How do we write that? Is going. Is going. Is going. Write that in Igbo language. Shoot now. Is going. How do we write that? Let's go. Game on. Is going. Is going. Can you write that now? Game on. Is going. Okay, you tried, but I think you should. Okay. Just a guy. The way you wrote your J is not correct. Oh, look at it very well. It really is correct. Just okay. You have corrected it. I think it's a typo. Okay, Chikezie, good, correct. Okay. Let's have it. The next one is opposite. Opposite instruction. Don't go. Don't go. How do we write that? Opposite instruction. Don't go. How do we write that in Igbo language? Don't go. Write that. Don't go. Don't go. Okay, as I saw, Shikeze has shot. Any other person shooting? Don't go. Okay, Ejela. All right, Shikeze wrote it, really wrote. Good. Who else is coming in here? Where is just the guy? Don't go. How do we write that in Igbo language? Shoot now. Game on. Verb game. Don't go. Shoot that in Igbo language. Write in the chat the way it is written. Ejela. Okay. Your responses are correct. Ejela. Ejela. If you also say agala, that's your choice. It's also correct. But ejela. Okay. Now let's have another form of it. Okay. Have not gone. Just like a reported speech. Ejela is an instruction, a command, an instruction. Don't go. But when you want to report that somebody did not go, he did not go, how do you write that? Did not go in Igbo. How do we write that? Dr. Abdullahi, you're welcome to class. There we go. How do you write did not go? A reported speech, not an instruction, not a command. Did not go. How do you write that? Did not go. Shoot down. Let me have that. How do we write that in Igbo? Okay. Just a guy has written. I love that. That's good. Active class members today. Yeah. Any other option? Did not go. Reported speech. Did not go. Did not go. How do we write this? Okay, Chikezie. Right. Where is it really and the rest? What is your option? Any other option? Okay, it really has come in with his own. A guy. That's great. Love that. A J or a guy or J. Okay. Dr. Abdullahi, great one. But if you, I always say, I didn't say he did not go, but did not go. But it's all fine. But you got what we mean. J is the emphasis here. A J or OJ. But that if you want to say OJ, I'm going to use O without dot under for the vowel agreement. Talking to Dr. Blahi now. For the vowels agree, the first vowel after the consonant J is a heavy vowel E, which is A. So the O that will come in front of them, representing the person, has to be a heavy vowel, which is O, not O, not O with dot under. Talking to Dr. Black now. So you will use OJ, not OJ. Okay, Dr. Black. That's fine. I hope you get my explanation. If you got me, say yes, doctor. Say yes if you got what I explained, Dr. Black. I need to be sure you got my explanation and others too, for it's important for everybody. Okay, now last one, have gone. Have gone. Past tense, have gone. Okay, doctor, that's fine. Have gone. How do we write that? Have gone. Have gone. Have gone or has gone if it's one person, but if there are many, have gone. How do we write that? Chikezie has dropped his own. Any other option? Any other option? Chikezie has written, shoot your shots. This is the Igbo verb game. Let's go. Shoot your shots now. Igbo verb game. Let's go. Did not go. Did not go. Shoot it now. Anyone coming in? I got one response only. Where are the rest? Did not go. Oh, have gone. That's what we're talking about. Have gone. Not did not go. Have gone. Have gone. Dr. Blahi. Great. You are improving seriously in this, Okay. Any other option? The two answers are correct. Ejego. Ejego. Okay. They are correct. Ejego. Wow. This is a great class. Let's go back and wrap it up with sentences now. Beginning with J. Okay, just a guy, you are right. J. Let's go. J. Okay. Go and bring him. Go and bring him. Go and bring him. Write that in Igbo language. Go and bring him. Go and bring him. Or go bring him, whichever one you prefer. Go and bring him or go bring him. Let's have that written in Igbo language in the chat now. Okay, go bring him, doctor. Go bring him. Go bring him. No, we are talking about human being. You may not use were for human being. You only use were for object. And even if it is an object, you don't use were. You say weta. Ga weta ya. Dr. Blahi. Ga weta, not were ya. That means take. Bring is weta. I'm talking to Dr. Blahi now. Okay, but we're talking about human being. Go bring him. Okay, let's see what Chikeze wrote. Okay, I've got an option. I believe Dr. Blahi listened to my explanation from his response. When he said ga wereya, we use were for objects, but actually were means take, and that is used for objects or something, not human being. And then if you say weta, you are still saying something relating to objects. But I'm talking about him, human being. So we don't use weta or were for human being. Use it for objects, non-living things, okay, or things that are not human. So if it's a human being, Chikezie is in the right path. You don't weta human being. You don't bring human being in as in weta, like object. You water. You lead him. Okay. To bring him, you have to lead him. So it's Otaya. That's why I'm saying Chikezie is more apt when he say J Otaya. Okay. That is more correct. Dr. Bly, I'm not talking about J. Your J is correct. I'm talking about your guy is okay. I'm talking about were. We don't use were for human being or waiter. That is the same thing with just a guy. You say J waiter. We use waiter for non-living things, not for human being. We're talking about human being here. Is my explanation understood? Is it clear? We go to the second one. Please, if you are clear, just a guy and Dr. Blind, let me know you are clear with what I explained. You don't use were or waiter for human being. You use for object. And when we say go bring a human being, you don't use waiter. You use water. Water, lead him to where you are. Wataya. Okay, so Chikeze's response is more correct. We go to number 2 sentences. Sentence EJ, waiting for the correction. All right, the correction is already there. Look at Chikeze's chart. Chikezie McDonald, Dr. Blahi. Look at Chikezie McDonald. Look at his chart. J. Wataya. That is correct. You may even use one O. The double O you use, I'm not okay with that. Is one O with dot under. J. Wataya. It's not Wataya. It's one O. J. Wataya. That's correct. We go to next one. EJ. Okay, to go. I want to go to work. 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 Write that in Igbo language. The emphasis is on to go. EJ, EJ or eager, as the case may be. Okay, let's go. Shoot it now. That's fine, Dr. Blahi. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's perfect. Okay. Thank you for listening attentively. We are talking about I want to go to work. Emphasis is on to go. EJ. Let's have that sentence now. We have one. Shoot your shot now. Game on. I see Chikeze has written, waiting for others to shoot now. Let's go. Game on. I want to go to work. Write that in Igbo language in the chat. Do that now. This is Let's Talk Igbo Language Live. The host here is Mazi Okafor, the Igbo tutor. Let's go. Achọrọ m ịjụ ọrụ mba o. Look at your typo. I think that should be a typo. Ijo is to refuse. That is not what we're talking about here. We are talking about to go, which is EJ. I think that should be a typo from just a guy. Can you correct that now? Just a guy. Okay. And I believe by now, okay, and your oru is not correct. Oru is O-R-U with dot under them. Okay. Fine. So correct them now. Oru or olu. You can choose to use O-L-U, olu. Still okay with dot under O and under U. That's fine. Okay. Tidrili. What did you write? Achọrọ m ije ọrụ. Correct. That's fine. Achọrọ m je ịlụ ọrụ. Doctor, we're talking about to go. EJ. You can just limit it to achọrọ m ije ọrụ. Okay. Unless you want to say achọrọ m ije lụọ ọrụ. I want to go and work, do work. If you say achọrọ m ije lụọ ọrụ, it's like saying I want to do work. Or simply say I want to go to work. Achọrọ m ije ọrụ. That is enough, Dr. Abdullahi. Achọrọ m ije ọrụ. Ije is to go. That is our emphasis here. Fine. We move on. My wife went to work. That is the next sentence. Past tense of go, went. The Igbo word for went is jere or gara. And the sentence we have to write now is my wife went to work. Let's go. My wife went to work. Let's go. Write that in Igbo language. Game on. Shoot now. My wife went to work. Yeah, I have one response already. Great work. Where are the rest? Shoot their shot. Game on. Igbo verb game. The anchor here is Mazi Okafor, Onye Nkuzi Igbo, the Igbo tutor. Let's go. If you have not subscribed to our channel, you are missing a lot. We have a lot of content line up there in our channel for you. After the class, go to our homepage and then feed yourself with a lot of great contents. We don't just do videos for entertainment. We do videos for teaching. We take time to do our videos. And then if you are patient enough to go through them, you can't remain the same. Even by watching one of our videos, only one will change you in a great way. We don't entertain, we teach. Okay? So do that now and you'll be glad you did. Okay, we're moving on. We have two responses now. My wife went to work. Let's have them flow. Let them flow in. I have two. Just a guy is in here. Where T really and the rest. Filing your response now. Okay, if you have not hit the like button for this live session, you are not fair to us. You are not showing enough solidarity and support. Hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel if you have not done that. Hit the notification bell so that you can get notified when we publish notice for live session or upload new videos. Please share out this live session. Let other people get to know about it and join us. Thank you for doing that. Let's go. Right. Nwunye m jere ọrụ. Achikezie. Good one. Doctor. Nwunye m jere ọrụ. Wow. Doctor, you're impressing me. Ikechukwu, just a guy. Nwunye m jere ọrụ. Okay, all are correct. If you choose to use m as in only m, representing my, it's okay. If you want to use mu dot under them, it's still fine. But just a guy, you have to put dot under your u in mo to make it correct. But your responses are apt. Let's go forward. We're talking about we go now. We go now. The sentence is, remember, we're talking about we go, geje, okay? So, they will go home tomorrow. They will go home tomorrow. That is the sentence. They will go home tomorrow. Write it in Igbo language. Let's go. Game on. Emphasis is on will go. Will go, which is geje in Igbo language. Geje. The sentence is they will go home tomorrow. Write that in Igbo language. Let's go. Shoot now. Game on. They will go home tomorrow. Game on. Igbo verb game. Shoot now. If you are seeing us now, this live session, and you are interested in learning Igbo language, this is where to be. This is free live Igbo lesson. So wherever you are, from any part of the world, and you're interested in learning Igbo language, whether you are related to Igbo by marriage, by birth, by business association, by friendship, why not learn Igbo today? You have Igbo neighbors, you need to interact with them. Why not come and join us and learn Igbo free of charge? No money to be paid. All you have to do is to join this live class and start learning right away. No money, no cost. Just join, just learn. Here we have a congregation of great people, a family here of those who are newcomers, who are middle level of learning, who are advanced in Igbo. You find all of us here as a family. So you can not be here and live without learning something from either me, the teacher, or those who are also advanced in the class. So don't miss this opportunity. Join us and let's learn Igbo together. The sentence we're looking at, this is called Igbo verb game. We are learning Igbo, using Igbo verb to make sentences, toss it around, and see how they transform from one form to another, and then make senses in different ways. All right. So the sentence we are looking at now is my wife. Okay, they will go home tomorrow. That is the sentence. Let's see what you have. We have Chikezie, ha ga-eje ụlọ echi. Good one. Just a guy. Ha ga-eje ụlọ echi. Great one. Dr. Blahi, ha ga-ejere ụlọ echi. No, doctor. We're talking about geje, not past tense, it's future tense. Ga-eje. So not ga-jere, is ga-eje. Please pick your answer, correct one from just a guy, and Chikezie, their responses are correct. So correct your sentence from their own. That's the importance of being in a live class. You can learn from others, not necessarily me, the teacher. You can learn from other people around you. Okay, noted. Great. We move on. Is going naga or neje? Okay. Now, the sentence is we are going very soon. We are going very soon. That is the sentence. Write that in Igbo language. We are going very soon. Let's write that in Igbo language. Don't be confused. Don't think it's too hard, it's too difficult. Just listen. If you cannot write, listen and watch the chat. You will see those who can write it correctly. That's why we have a live class. It's a community of learners. So you cannot be here and miss out. If you cannot write, just listen and follow those who can write. Pay attention to the chat session and listen to the teacher so that I can give you and tell you when it is gotten right. Then you can update your notebook and we move on. Now we will go very soon. That is the sentence we are looking at now. We will go very soon. And the emphasis here is will go. And that means geje in Igbo language. Okay? Oh, is that? Okay, we are going very soon. I think that's the sentence. We are going very soon. We are going very soon. I hope that is the sentence, which is na eje. Am I right? Is that the sentence I made before? We are going very soon. Is that my sentence? Please confirm if that is the sentence I made. We are going very soon. Help me confirm that that was the sentence I made earlier. Yeah, we are going very soon. Please, if you've not hit the like button for this live session, you are not fair to us. You are hitting the like button will make YouTube to know that more people are interested in this and they like it, and then we show it to more people. So please do us a favor by hitting the like button and the share button to share it out to more people. Even if you are watching this live recording after the class, you see owe us a duty to hit the like button and to share it out so that others will benefit just like you. Don't be selfish. Let others also benefit. Share it out to your friends, to your contacts. Let other people know that this is where they can learn something. Hit the like button to give a signal to YouTube that this is good and they show it to more people out there. These are a few things you can do to help the channel, support the teacher, and help those out there who also want to learn like you. Thank you for doing that. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? This is where to be. Now, anyị na-eje oge na-adịghị anya. We will go or we are going very soon. We are going very soon. We've got one answer here or response. Let me wait for others. We are going very soon. What is your answer? Write that in Igbo language. We are going very soon. Yes, waiting for your own response. Only one person has written. What are the rest waiting for? We are going very soon. Emphasis are going, which means naga in Igbo language or neje in Igbo language. Or yeah, is that the only one that knows what to write? What are the rest doing? Just a guy? Where are you? Tidrili, Dr. Bly? Where are all of you? Okay, doctor is here. 2 people. Okay, 2 people. What do you mean, Dr. Bly? Ani, more than 1 person. That is what you are talking about. Ani, plural. Ani, that is we. Okay. Okay, Doctor wrote, Anyị na-eje pụa. Oh, yeah. Okay. I've seen what you mean. I've seen what you mean. Doctor, you have responded. I didn't read it. Anyị na-eje pụa. No, that pụa is not good. You can say ubua. And even if you use ubua, it means we are going now. Ubua will mean now. So, doctor, that is not good for the sentence. I say we are going very soon. Okay. We are going very soon. I have responded. Yeah, I've seen it, doctor. I've already read your response. But what you did not get is very soon. Very soon. Okay? Anyị na-eje nwa obere oge. Okay? Oge adịghị anya is correct. Obere oge is correct. Okay? Both are correct. I take that to be the response. The only one that responded and is correct, Chikezie. Anyị na-eje oge adịghị anya. Anyị na-eje nwa obere oge. Both are correct. Let's pick what Chikezie wrote as our response to this, and that sentence is correct. We move on to don't go. Ejela. Ejela. Don't go. Sentence now. Don't go to Lagos. Don't go to Lagos. Do not go to Lagos. That is the sentence. Write that in Igbo language. Do not go to Lagos. Don't go to Lagos. Let's go. Igbo game. Game on. Do not go to Lagos. Let's go. Write that in Igbo language. Game on. Do not go to Lagos. Game on. Write it now. Do not wait. Shoot. Game on. Yeah. Waiting for you. Shoot it now. Don't go or do not go to Lagos. That's the sentence we are dealing with now. Let's go. Shoot that now. Do not go to Lagos. Game on. Igbo verb game. Emphasis is on do not go. Do not go. Ejela. What do we have? Okay. Got one response. Any other person coming in? Any other person coming in? Chikezie is in. Just a guy. Ejela Lagos. Okay. Ablahi, more explanation needed for very soon. Okay. Very soon is oge adeyanya, the time that is not far. Oge means time. Adeyanya means not far away. Okay. If you say deyanya means it's far. So adeyanya is very near. Okay. Oge means time. That means very soon. Time that is not far. Okay. So another response is anyị na-eje nwa obere oge. Still the same thing. In this case, he used nwa obere, small. Obere means small. So nwa obere means very small. Nwa obere oge, very small time. It also means soon. I hope Dr. Blind got the explanation clearly enough. Okay, thank you. Let's move on. This is the beauty of live class. The beauty of live class is that you can ask questions and get instant response and explanation. Unlike when you're watching video, you can drop a comment under the video, but the video owner may not really be there in the next 1 week or so, except somebody who is attentive. He may be busy, he will not even respond to you, and you may have forgotten, and you go your business. But when you are in a live class, you can get instant response to your questions. That's the beauty of it. So take advantage of this to learn. Okay. Agala Lagos. Okay, Dominic Ekezie. Dominic, you're welcome back to class. I think you bought some of our books, about 4 books or so, or 2. I can't remember. Dominic, how many books did you buy recently? I think I saw your name. I saw you made a purchase of our books. Am I right, Dominic? Are you the one? I think this is you. Can you confirm that you bought few of our books recently? I have a reason for asking that question. I want to get a feedback. So Dominic, confirm you bought some of our books this recently. How many did you buy? 2 or 4? Can you confirm that? Dominic Ekezie? Yeah. While we are doing that, while I'm waiting for that response, I look at the responses. A, don't go to Lagos. What do we have? Yeah, okay. Dominic bought 2 books. Okay. Dominic, please give us a feedback. Do you think the book is worth buying, or you've learned something from this book? Were you able to download the audio and listen to it? Are they working fine? Please, I need your feedback. Are they worth the money you spent on them or not? I need to get that feedback here so that others can also see and know whether we are really saying what we mean or we are trying to take their money for nothing. So, is the book worth the value? Did you gain anything from it? Were you able to access the audio? Is everything working fine with the book? Do you think the book is worth spending your few dollars on or not? Please let me have your sincere feedback here. All right. We're talking about don't go to Lagos. And what do we have here? Ejekwala Lagos. Okay, this is an extension of that sentence, that word, Ejela Lagos. I think this is the full word, Ejekwala. It could be Ejekwala full sentence, full word, or Ejela, whichever. If you prefer to use Ejekwala, it's okay. If you use Ejela Lagos, it's fine. Okay, Dr. Abdullahi, you have not said anything. Okay, Ejela Lagos, Ejekwala Lagos, both are all correct. Any other person? Dominic so said Agala Lagos. Okay, if you prefer to use Agala, it's also correct. Or Ejela Lagos. Dominic, still waiting for your feedback on the book. We move on to next one. Okay, have gone to Lagos. Okay, have gone to Lagos. Okay, okay, have gone to Lagos. Just a guy, I didn't get your question. Kwala means, I say Ejela or Ejekwala. Ejekwala is not different from Ejela. It appears Ejela is the short form of the word Ejekwala. So it doesn't mean any other thing different from don't go. Go Ejela or Ejekwala. I think the Ejekwala is the full expression of that word, Ejela. That's all I can say about that. Okay, is it a compound word? Which one are you talking about? Ejekwala, is it a compound word? Okay. Ejela, Ejekwala. It's not really a compound word, but it's just the expression of that don't go. Okay. Of course, you know that Eje is related to going. Kwala, don't go. It's just the way it is written in Igbo language. It's not a compound word. There's no two words there. It's a single word. Okay, meaning don't go, do not go. Okay, so there is not, I can't say it's a compound word, because if it's a compound word, it will be written in two form and connected with a hyphen. We can say it's a compound word, but in this case, it's not a compound word. It's a single word, meaning although it may represent more than one word, but that is how it is written in Igbo language. No other way. Okay, we're talking about okay have gone or has gone to Lagos. Okay has gone to Lagos. That is the next sentence we're talking about here. Has gone. Okay has gone to Lagos. Yes, the books combined with audio is good. Fine. That's what I want to hear. Please, can we, those of you who have not bought our ebooks, we've advertised this so many times here. Some of you think it's a joke. You confirm from Dominic Ekezie that what we said, we meant them, and they are exactly what we're talking about. And the book have text, audio, downloadable audio for that matter, and even pictures in most cases. So it has a double advantage. With the book, you can always hear me talking to you, even when you are offline. You can play it as MP3. You can play it in your radio. You can be playing and listening while you are cooking or doing laundry. You continue learning when you are driving because you have a downloadable audio which you can always listen to. And when you want to go through the book, you go through it while listening to the reading and the explanation. So it has a double advantage. So if you have not bought our ebooks, you are missing a lot. Do that today, and you'll be glad you did. We move on. So we are talking about Okeke has gone to Lagos. That is the sentence we are looking at. What are the responses that we have? Nnake, Maazị Nnake, you're welcome to class. You know, so even though you're coming late, but better late than never. Okay, let's go on. Okay, Jego Lagos. First response from GKZ. Oh, yeah. Any other person? Okay, Ejere Lagos. No, Dr. Abdullahi. It could be a Jego or Ejela, double E. We can accept that. Not Ejela, but Ejela, double E, then LA. It can also be taken as has gone. Ejela has gone. Double E-L-A. Or ejego. Either of these two can be accepted, but not ejere. No. All right. So what we're talking about is Okeke has gone to Lagos. We got the right answer already. Okeke ejego, Lagos. All right. Let's go to the next verb. Now, time is running. The next one is jide. 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 Let's write that in the chat. Jide. Hit it now. Jide. Jide. Dr. Black has said the double E is after a J, is between is E-J double E-L-A. Ejela, not Ejela. No. Okay. That's what we're talking about. Okay. Agala, Lagos. Okay. Dominic also follow that trend. Is it a double A or double E after J? Okay. That's fine. That's good. Chikezie got it that right. Ejela, Lagos. That is. Some people will say it that way. Instead of say Ejego, say Ejela. That's also accepted. Jide, that's correct. What does Jide mean? What does Jide mean? That's our next verb. Jide, what does that mean? Let's go. What does Jide mean in Igbo language? Jide. Let's go. What does Jide mean? Oh yeah, game on. Game on. Yeah, Dr. Bly, you got it now. Ejela has gone. All right. We are in the next verb already. And the verb is jide, hold. Okay, you are right. That is hold. Great. Let's go. We break it down. Game on. Jide, hold. Ejide, to hold. Oh, I'm even giving you the answer. To hold is what? Let's write. To hold is what? For the sake of those who don't know it, let's write it in the chat. To hold means what? To hold. Yeah, Dominic, you got it. Hold. We're now moving on. To hold means what? Let's write. To hold means what in Igbo language? Ejide. Great. Dr. Chikezie. Great. Any other option? To hold. Right. You've got the answer correctly. That is to hold. Ejide. Now, past tense of hold, held. Held. Just a guy, your answer is correct. Held. What is the way it is written in Igbo language? Held. Past tense of hold. Dominic, you are right. Okay, who is this? This is Kubeguru. Okay, Kubeguru. I think this is the first time you are joining our live class. Can you confirm that? Kubeguru. I try to pronounce your name if I can get it right. Is that Kubeguru? I don't know if I got it right. Is it the first time you are joining our live class? Please indicate and let's say hi to you in a special way and let's welcome you to class. Yes, okay. Please, let's welcome Kubeguru to our class, to the family of Igbo learners. Let's say no to him. Let's say dalo to him. Kubeguru, when you join our live class, the first thing you do is to hit the like button and then subscribe to our channel if you have not done so. And also, you will share this live session so that you can go out to more people. Hit the notification bell in our channel so that you can get notified when we upload new videos or announce new live class. These are few things you need to do. Okay. Then, okay. You say his name is Kube, then Guru. Kube Guru. I've not heard that. Is that Igbo name? I don't think. Kube Guru, that's where are you from? Please indicate. From which part of the world are you joining us? Are you a native of Igbo or you are Igbo friend? Which one? Born of Igbo parents? Okay, Kube, like sugar, Kube. Kube, like sugar, Kube. Okay, Kube Guru. Yeah, you can see. I know this is not Igbo, and somebody is saying something else. So, Kube Guru. Kube Guru, where are you from and where are you joining us from? Which part of the world are you joining from? Don't mind us. My father is an Igbo. Great. These are the people we are looking for. These are the people we want. It is for your purpose we are doing this. We want all our Igbo brethren who are scattered all over the world to get reconnected to our Igbo lineage and Igbo language. It is for your purpose we are here. So take advantage of this. We meet every Saturday by 2 p.m. Nigeria time, 1300 GMT. We have our channel also I'm currently in Canada, but I live in US. That's good. So we have our channel too, where we have a lot of videos uploaded there in the homepage. So subscribe to our channel immediately. Not only that, we have a set of Igbo ebooks. We have also line up for new students and new learners like you that will facilitate your learning and make you to come to speed with other people. Those ebooks are specially made for people like you because they come with audio, text, pictures. The audios are downloadable. So when you buy a book, you download the audio, you have it permanently in your own computer or phone so that you can listen to them when you are offline and you go through the book while you hear the audio. With that, you have the teacher always with you. So, Coop Guru, you need to buy those books after the class today. How do you get the books? Very simple. Go to our homepage, open our channel description, you see a link to our bookshop. Hit it and you get there. Not only that, look at our live session, hit the live button in our homepage and open the drop down, open any live video before, open the description box, you see a link to our bookshop, and then you hit it and you get there. Not only that, go to our community tab in our homepage, hit the community tab, you'll see advert of our previous books line up there with a link to our bookshop attached to each of them. Hit it now and buy any of the books. With $25, you get about 10 of them. That's so cheap. And today, you will begin to learn and cover all basic subjects, alphabets, numbers, two-letter words, whatever, daily conversations. You can be sure to cover all of them in our books. So, Coop Guru, do that today, and you'll be glad you did. We move on now. Yeah, his nickname seems he enjoys sorting cubes. Yeah, that's what I see. He has already explained that it's cube, not kube. It's Coop Guru. He must have a very good knowledge of cubes. All right, so let's go. But Coop Guru, it will be good too. You tell us your Igbo name because we know your father cannot call you Coop Guru. You must have Igbo name. I like addressing guys with their real Igbo name. Igbo. So go and have Igbo gi, tell us your Igbo name. Be proud of your native name. So let's go. Coop Guru, let's know your real Igbo name. We go. Ikechukwu. That's fine. That's what I'm looking for. Ikechukwu. We have another Ikechukwu in this class. That is just a guy. His nickname here is just a guy. His name also is Ikechukwu. You have a namesake here. Ikechukwu means the power of God. And that power will see you through. Let's go on now. And we're talking about Jide. That's the next verb we're talking about. Okay. We are moving on. Okay. So that's great. Yes, in Obogi. That's great. So we're talking about Jide hold. We talked about Jidere, right? And then where are we? We move on to Jidere held. That's the past tense of Jidere held. All right. Let's see those who got it right. We have Chikezie Jidere. Abdullah Jidere, correct. The Nnake Jidere, correct. Dominic Jidere, correct. All right. These guys are hot today. Now, okay, let's go on to the next variation of this verb. We hold. How do we write it in Igbo? Will hold. How do we write that in Igbo language? Will hold. Will hold. How do we write it in Igbo? Will hold. Let's go. Let's go. Game on. Will hold. Game on. Let's go. Will hold. Gejide, great. Gejide, great. Okay. Kechukwu, you are doing well. You are doing well. You have a good knowledge. Gejide, okay, but you put hyphen to join is a compound word. Nnake, Gejide, correct. I'm going to move faster now. Once we get the answer, I move because my time is going off. Gejide. Now we are talking about is holding now. Is holding. Is holding. What is the Igbo way of writing is holding? Is holding. How do we write it in Igbo? Is holding. Okay. Coop Guru has written something. Great. This Coop Guru is hot. He's not joking at all. Okay, Ikechukwu. All right, great. Your responses are correct. Is holding na ejide. Na ejide. Kubguru, Ikechukwu, please join your compound word with a hyphen. That makes it more correct. Okay. Now we move on. Go and hold or go hold. How do we write that in Igbo language? Go hold or go and hold. How do we write that? Go hold or go and hold. Yes. How do we write it in Igbo language? Go hold. Okay. We have it. Chikezie is in. Kubguru is in. Okay. Let's see who got it right. Nake is in. Okay. Who else is coming in? Go and hold or go hold. Who else is coming into this? Who else is coming into this? Go and hold or go hold. Who else is coming into this? Who else? Who else? Who else? Who else? Of course, your responses are correct, except that Ikechukwu Kubguru is not J-double-E. Okay, J Jide or Gajide is correct, but don't put double E at the back of Jide. It's not correct. Okay, Gajide, Gajide. Dominic, you are right. Dr. Blahi, you are right. Nake, you are right. Great. Now, don't hold. Opposite instruction. Don't hold. Opposite instruction. How do we write that in Igbo language? Don't hold. Don't hold. Opposite instruction. How do we write that? How do we write that? Let's go. Shoot it now. Whoa. Cope is definitely an Imolite. He must be an Imolite. He's actually smart. Kum Guru is smart. He's not joking at all. Okay, don't hold. Let's see what do you people guy have. Okay, okay. Kum Guru is here too. He's responding smartly. He's not joking at all. Okay, okay. We have his response. We have others. Let's see. Aaron this work. Okay. Oh, you got it right. This guy from Aaron this work. The guy is no joke at all. Chikezie, you must be a smart guy too for you to pick this guy's intonation quickly, quickly. You're too much. The perception is apt. He's from Imo State. Okay, let's go on now. Okay, don't hold. Let's see your responses. Ejidena. Okay, Kuguru. It's all right. Ejidela or Ejidena. We can accept that. Okay. Dr. Blahi, Jidela. No, Dr. Blahi, you have to put E in front. Ejidela. E in front before J, but write it together. A, G, Dela. And don't use double E at the back of D. Okay, just like Chikezie wrote it, it's better. Ejidela. We have Nake also, correct. Ejidela. We have Kubguru, responding to question. Dominic Ejidela or Ejidekwana, correct. You guys are too much. Let's go to did not hold. This is not an instruction. This is a report. Did not hold. Ejidela is an instruction. Don't hold. But reporting did not hold. Write it. How do we write it? A reported speech did not hold. How do we write it? Did not hold. Not a command, not instruction, but a report. Did not hold. How do we write it? Chikezie is in. Let's go. Game on. Chikezie is in. Ikechukwu is in. Nake is in. Who else is coming in? Nake is in. Who else? Who else? Who else is shooting? Game on. Did not hold. Game on. Game on. Who else is coming in here? Who else is coming in? Game on. Did not hold. If nobody is coming in again, let's mark. Dr. Blahi, good. Good. Blahi is in. Dominic is in. Good. This is great class. Ejidei, Chikezie is correct. Ejidehu, Kubguru, this is not a central Igbo. I think you are going to your village now. We don't accept Ejidehu. It's Ejidei. Okay. Nake Ejidei, correct. Dr. Blahi Ejidei, correct. Dominic Ekezi Ejidei, correct. Now, let's have the last one. Have heard or has heard. Has heard or have heard. Okay. Past participle. Have heard or has heard. Okay, how do we write that in Igbo? Has held or have held. Let's go. Game on. Okay, one response is in by Chikezie. Let's go. Shoot. Game on. Don't waste time. Nake is in. Who is following? We have first position. Second is in. Who is coming third? Dr. Blahi is coming third. Ejidego. Dr. Blahi use one E is enough after D. Ejidego. That is correct. Use double E. Ikechukwu is in here. The Coop Guru. I don't know this one. Okay, that is a good confession. So it's good. That's why live class is good for everybody. The why you don't know, you learn from others who know. That's the beauty of live class. Okay, Ejide. No, Dominic, that's not how to write it. That seems local. The right way to write it is the way we're talking about have held already. So this is not correct. Okay, Ejidego is correct. Ejidego is the right one. Ejidego, Dr. Blahi, remove one E after D. Okay, and you are good to go. Let's go to sentences now. I'm going to run through this because my time is already off. I thought I would maintain only 1 hour in this class, but you guys are dragging me on because you're making the class more interesting, and that's why I'm flowing with you. Let's go. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. That's the first sentence. Shoot now in Igbo language. Write that. Hold my hand. Of course, Dominic, if you write Ejidela is also correct. Ejidego or Ejidela. Ejidela. But I think Ejidego is more appropriate in this case. All right, we're having our first sentence. We're shooting now. Hold my hand. Let's go. Okay. Ikechukwu is in first position, followed by Dominic Ekezie. Chikezie came in third, and Dr. Blahi is in. Dr. Blahi is not giving space at all. He is firing too. Nake is here. All right. I think I'm going to mark immediately because you guys are already getting very hot for me. Let's see. Ikechukwu Kubguru Jide Akam. Ikechukwu remove one E from Jide, and you are good to go with that. You are correct. Remove one E from Jide. Dominic has gone back. I think he's coming back again. Chikezie Jidakam, correct. Dr. Black Jidakam, you are also correct. If you choose not to separate the M, it's not bad. Jidakam is still okay. Nake Jidakam, correct. Dominic Jidakam, correct. All right, we'll move. Second sentence, to hold. I want to hold you. I want to hold you. That's the that's the sentence. Write it in Igbo language. I want to hold you. Let's go. Game on. Let's go. Let's go. Let the keyboard speak. I want to hold you. Write that in Igbo language. I want to hold you. Let's go. Verb game. The verb here is to hold. Verb variation, to hold, which is ejide, and we're making a sentence with it. Let's go. Who is in here? Ikechukwu is in first. Ikechukwu is not giving space at all. This guy is hot. Ikechukwu is in, followed by Chikezie, followed by Nake. Okay. Who else is coming? Dominic is in, fourth position. Dr. Blind, fifth. Dr. Blind is getting hotter and faster these days. I love that. That shows improvement. Great one. Doctor, well done. So we move. Let's mark. Kubguru Ikechukwu wrote Achorom Ijidegi. That's correct. Because we need to install the Igbo keyboard in your phone or computer. Go to language setting and look for keyboard. Select Kwati Igbo. Install it in your phone or computer. When you do that, your keyboard will be toggled between English and Igbo. When you have an alphabet that has dot under, just press it down, hold it down. It will give you option of the one that has dot under and dot on top or whatever. That way you can write your Igbo sentence correctly. In this case, you need to have O dot under the two O's and dot under G I behind the G. Right. Chikezie chọrọ ijidegi. Good. Correct. Nake achọrọ ijidegi. Okay. Even though it came in two parts, but it's correct. Dominic achọrọ ijidegi. Correct. Dr. Blahi achọrọ jidegi. Not really. Not Jidegi, but Ijidegi, doctor. You put I in front of G. Okay, but that's a good effort. Thanks for compliments. Great. Now we move on to held, past tense of hold, held. The man held his wife. The man held his wife. Let's go. Game on. Shoot that in Igbo language. The man held his wife. Can you write that in Igbo language as quickly as possible? Let's go. The man held his wife. The man held his wife. Let's go. Game on. Let's go. Chikezie in first. Who is coming second? Chikezie in first. Who is coming in second? The man held his wife. Let's go. In Igbo language, how do we write that? The man held his wife. Okay, who came in second? Dominic came second. Ikechukwu came, Guru came in third. Right, fourth, Nake. Okay, anyone coming in again? Before we start marking, let's mark. Chikezie, nwoke ahụ jidere nwunye ya. Good sentence, correct one. Dominic, nwoke jidere nwunye ya. No, you need to put ahụ, the man, nwoke ahụ. Okay, that is the only thing missing. Nwoke ahụ, put ahụ after nwoke, the man. If you just say man, held his wife, it becomes nwoke, but the man, nwoke ahụ. Koguru, nwoke a jidere nwunye ya. Not correct. I didn't say this man. I said the man. What you wrote is this man. Nwoke a jidere nwunye ya. This man. That is about that. Koguru. Annake, nwoke ahụ jidere nwunye ya. Correct. So two people got it perfectly well. Chikezie and Nnake. We move to will hold. Will hold. He will hold you. He will hold you when you come. Let's make it longer a little bit. He will hold you when you come. He will hold you when you come. Can you write that in Igbo language? I know it's long, but never worry. Some people in this class can do that very well. He will hold you when you come. Dominic, you are in now. That's corrected version. That's good. Okay. He will hold you when you come. Okay. Okay, Nake, you came in early, but your sentence is not correct. He will hold you when you come. I think you can do that. You can do better. Rewrite what I'm saying now. He will hold you when you come. Nake, write again. I know you can do that. Chikezie in, Nake in, Kup Guruk in. Okay, Nake is back again. I know you will come back. Oge jidegi mgbe ibia. Good effort, but I'm going to mark that. Not perfectly well, but good trial. Where are the rest? He will hold you when you come. Dominic is in. Okay, okay. Now let's mark because of our time. The first person, I'm going to skip that first because he came in later. Chikezie, I'm going to consider as the first one. Oge jidegi mgbe ibiara. That is the perfect sentence. That's the perfect sentence. Kubguru. Oge jidegi mgbe ibia. There is one area where many of us are having problem. Mgbe ibia is not going to be mgbe ibia. You know, of course, come is bia, okay, but mgbe ibiara is the right expression in this case. When you come, of course, come is bia, as in making a sentence, a statement. But in this particular scenario, mgbe ibiara is the right expression in the Igbo language. Although it may sound weird somehow, but that is the way it is. I cannot explain myself. Mgbe ibiara, biara seems to be the past tense of bia, which is, came, right? But in this instant case, mgbe ibiara is the right expression. So don't ask me why. This is the way I met it also. So we take it like that, right? So, and that's why all those who wrote bia, mgbe bia, they are not correct. It's mgbe biara. Okay, Dr. Blahi. Oga jidere gi perfect. is ọ ga-ejide gị mgbe ị bịara. Nnake, ọ ga-ejide gị mgbe ị bịara. Corrected version. Good. Dominic, ọ ga-ejide gị mgbe ị bịara. Correct. You've done your corrections by yourself. Smart students, you are. You are. We move on. Is holding. He is holding them strongly. He is holding them strongly. Oh, the original answer is wanted to give was ọ ga-ejide gị mgbe ị nọta. Okay, mgbe ị nọta. You are still going to your village now. Okay, that's good. But those nota is not a central Igbo. So you have to use what we have now here as the real one. Okay? Okay? Not have to be changed to past tense. No. To speak generally in Igbo, don't use nota. It's mgbe ị bịara when you come. Okay? Okay? Let's move now. And the sentence is, he is holding him strongly. I think that was the sentence I made. He is holding him strongly. Is it him or them? I think it's them. Did I say he's holding them strongly or he's holding you strongly? I think he's holding them strongly, I said. Okay? 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 I think he's holding them strongly. That's what I said. Okay? Okay? He's holding them strongly. That is what I said. Let's go there. He is holding them strongly. Let's take it. Let's move on with that. He's holding them strongly. Holding them strongly. Yes. Okay, that's what I said. I just want to be sure. He's holding them strongly. Okay, let's go with that. I got our answers already. Nake, onejideha, ike. What else do we have? Okay, Nake came in first. Onejideha, ike. Dominic, onejideha, ike. Ikechukwu, onejideha, ofuma. Chikezie, ọ na-ejidesi ha ike. Dominic, holding them strongly. Yes. Abdullahi, ọ na-ejide ha ọfụma. Okay. I think the right answer, perfect one, is from Chikezie McDonald. Ọ na-ejidesi ha ike, even though we didn't put ejidesi in our variations, but that is the right expression here. Okay. But we can also say ọ na-ejide ha ọfụma, just like who wrote that first year? I think, let me see. Somebody wrote that. That is Kub Guru. On the Jide Hofuma. But that actually means he's holding them well. He's holding them well. So Ofuma and strongly is not exactly the same. So Ofuma is well. But strongly is Jide Si Haike. Ike has to do with power. On a Jide Si Haike. So that is the correct version. Chikezie McDonald. If you are writing, please copy that one from Chikezie McDonald. On the Jidesiha Ike. All right. And we're going to go and hold. Okay. Gajide. Oh, sorry. Go and hold the thief. Go and hold the thief. That is the sentence. Can we write that now in Igbo? Let's go. Game on. Go and hold the thief. If you are in this class, you've not hit the like button for this live session, you are not fair to us. If you've not shared it, you're not fair to us. Please do that now and subscribe to our channel if you have not done that. Hit the notification bell to be notified when we upload new videos. Those of you who have not bought our books, do that after this class. That is also a way of supporting this channel to move on, right? And encourage us to continue to go on, cover our costs. We also appeal for those of you who are in class and who are joining and who are going to listen after to know that we're doing this free because some people are supporting us financially. You can also be part of the supporters of the channel by many ways. You have super sticker you can send to us even as this live class is on. You can also send us super chats. The response you are giving to us, you can convert it to super chats, and then it will cost you a little money to do that. You can hit the $sign at the chat bar by your right and then give us a super chat or super sticker right now. while this class is on. If you are watching this in our homepage after it's uploaded, you can hit the super thanks button, the thanks with the dollar sign, and give us a thank you offer. There's no way to sustain us than doing that. That is appreciated. So these are few ways you can be part of, effort. Thank you for doing just that. We move on now. Okay, go hold the thief. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's go on. Jide onye, jide onye ori. That's Kubguru. Okay, go hold the thief. That's great one. Okay, onye ori or onye ohi, whichever one you prefer. OHI or ORI, both are acceptable. Ga jide onye oshi. Okay, some people call it onye oshi. Onye oshi ahụ, want to write onye oshi. Of course, onye oshi is also used in Igbo land. OSHI, onye oshi. Okay, but onye ori seems to be more popular. Onye ori or onye ohi. Okay, Chikezie, gaa jide ihe onye ohi ahụ. Gaa jide ihe onye ohi ahụ. No, go hold the thief is what I say. It should be gaa jide onye ohi ahụ. Onye ohi ahụ. That is simple. Not ihe onye ohi ahụ. What time day does this class happen? Okay, that is Cook Guru. Every Saturday, 2 p.m. Nigerian time or 1300 GMT. Mind you too, for those of you who might be interested, we also run live private class for those who want to have a private session. In fact, some of us who are very active in this live class are in a private class with us. So we also have opportunities for live one-on-one private classes if you want that. And if that is what you want to do, which will also help you to learn faster, we offer that. You can send us a request via our email, the igbotutor@gmail.com. The Igbo Tutor is the name of our channel. Write it together and then put at gmail.com. We receive your request as applicable and attend to you immediately. Right, move on. All right, yeah, every Saturday. All right, so we move on. Chikezie, Gajidonyo here, that's corrected version, good one. Dr. Blahi, chief. I don't know what you mean by chief. We're talking about Onyori, a thief, not chief, thief, criminal. Dominic, Gajidonyo here, good. These answers are correct. Gajide Onyori or Onyohi ahụ. Okay, we go to the negative instruction. Ejidela, don't hold. Don't hold. Don't hold. Don't hold. Ejidela, don't hold the girl. Don't hold the girl. Don't hold the girl. That is the sentence. Let's go. Don't hold the girl. Yes, don't hold the girl. Write it now. Write it now. Don't hold the girl. Yeah, let's go. Shoot it now. Don't hold the girl. Don't hold the girl. Shoot now. Let's write. Okay. Okay. Nake is in. Okay. Coop Guru is the first one to come in here, followed by Nake, followed by Chikezie, followed by Nake again. Nake, you used to be too fast and you forget. Well, you are writing in double. That's fine, no problem. Don't hold the girl. Let's mark because of my time. Nake wrote Of course, you have corrected yourself. I know you want to write one. Typographical error. Chikezie ejidela nwata nwanyị ahụ. Okay? Nwata nwanyị, the girl. Okay? Referring to a small, young girl. Either you wrote nwanyị or nwatakịrị nwanyị ahụ. Or nwata nwanyị ahụ. Or obere nwanyị ahụ. It's all right. Ejidela nwanyị ahụ. Nwanyị ahụ ejidela nwa nwanyị ahụ. Okay? That's even better. Either nwatakịrị nwanyị or nwa nwanyị. Girl, not a matured girl. Nwa nwanyị or nwatakịrị nwanyị. Ejidela nwatakịrị nwanyị ahụ or nwa nwanyị ahụ. That's better. So Chikezie and Dominic are, better in this particular sense. Now, Ejidego have caught or has held. They have caught the thief. We are going back again. They have caught the thief, the criminal. They have caught the thief. Let's write that in Igbo language as we round up this session now. Yes, we're running up the class now. They have caught the thief, or they have held the thief. Let's write that in Igbo language now. Let's go. They have caught the thief. They have caught the thief. One person is in. Chikeze is in. Where are the rest? Let's go. They have caught the thief. Let's go. Chikeze is in. Abdullahi is in. Okay. Okay. Nake is in. Kubguru is in. Okay. I'm going to start marking now because of my time. Who wrote first? Chikezie. Ha ejidego onye ohi ahụ. Perfect. Dr. Abdullahi. Ha jidere onye ohi ahụ. Is ha ejidego. They have caught. It's not they caught. They have caught. If it is they caught, it becomes ha jidere. Talking to Dr. Abdullahi now. Ha jidere onye ohi ahụ. If it is they caught. But if it is they have caught, ha ejidego. That is the right expression. Nake. Ha ejidego onye ohi ahụ. Perfect. Kuguru. Ha ejidego onye ori ahụ, the thief. Add ahụ there. Dominic. Ha ejidela onye ohi ahụ. Ejidela, high tone. Command. Ejidela, low tone. Have caught. It can apply. So Dominic is also correct. Right. Okay. Opposite. They didn't catch the thief. They did not catch the thief. Let's write this one now. Opposite sentence. A report now. They did not catch the thief. They did not catch the thief. Write that in Igbo language. Yes, let's go. Come on. Did not catch the thief. Let's go. Okay, Kubguru is in. Kubguru is in. Number one is Kubguru. This Kubguru is very active. I love that. Oh, one people call. No, they take last. Okay. Chikezie, McDonald. In second position, third, Dr. Blahi. Third, Dr. Blahi. This Dr. Blahi has improved so much. Oh, yeah, I'm happy for that. Let's move on. Let's move on. Let's move on. Dominic is in. Okay, I will start marking why others are coming in. Kubguru said, hey, Jidego Mba. I'm talking about Hejide. Let's see who come in here. Okay, Kubguru. Hey, Jidehu. Onyoria. This your local balance is giving me problem. Hejidehu is not going to be that. It's Hejidei. Hejidei. Onyoria. Chikezie got it first. Dr. Blahi. Hajidei. Onyoria. Ha Ejidei. Dr. Blahi. Just add E in front of J in Jidei. Is Ejidei. You're almost there. Just add E in front of your G. Ha Ejidei. And you'll be perfect. Dominic. Ha ejidei onye ohi ahụ. Correct. On this note, while I wait for others, I want to thank everybody that came on board today. Do remember that nothing is free. Anything that is free has been paid for by somebody. So show us love, support the channel, drop a super chat, use your super chat to tell us thank you today. Use your super sticker to tell us thank you for your effort. We dedicate our time and money and resources to do this. So it is free because some people are supporting us financially. Be part of them and God will bless you for doing that. So do us a favor, give us a super sticker, give us a super thank, give us a super chat, even now as you say bye for today's lesson. We appreciate you coming on board with your time, your resources, you also put into it, you are even interested in learning Igbo language and reconnecting to your roots. This gives us joy. So it's nice time to be with you today. I do hope we are going to see next time. Okay, next Saturday, God willing, we will meet again. Stay safe and please, if you are protesting in Nigeria, be sure you are safe. Don't destroy resources. and access of the state, it will cost us money to repair. You can protest without being destructive. Thank you, and God bless you. See you next Saturday. Kemesia. Chugoziegi.